This customer has requested that nothing gets taken apart. So we're not taking off the badges on the side, and we're not taking off the vents. This helps reduce the static when we pull the backing off. Now before we pull this off, we're gonna spray the hood itself. And this is what we call our final spray. So this is the slip solution that we're actually gonna use for the install. Synchronized with the backing. And then we're gonna spray this together. And then when we go up to the windshield with our corners that we're holding on to, we're gonna take it just right past the corners. We don't wanna go any higher up on the windshield than we need to. So let's do that now. I'm gonna switch hands to make it easier.